Building $1 million net worth from scratch might seem daunting, but with the right strategies and consistent effort, it's achievable. Developing a high-income skill, such as software development, digital marketing, or financial consulting, is one of the fastest ways to increase your earning potential. Invest in online courses, certifications, or mentorships to build expertise. E-commerce, dropshipping, or selling digital products can generate scalable income. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon can help you reach millions. Start small with a niche product and reinvest profits into scaling. Real estate is a time-tested way to build wealth through rental properties or house flipping, generating both passive income and equity growth. Look for undervalued properties or leverage tools like FHA loans to minimize upfront costs. Consistently investing in index funds, ETFs, or high-potential stocks can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Start with small, regular investments and let compound interest work its magic. Freelancing or side hustles like content writing or graphic design can help generate extra income. Use it to save or reinvest. Turn a passion or hobby into a marketable service. Building a loyal audience through social media, blogging, or YouTube can lead to multiple income streams like sponsorships and ad revenue. Focus on providing value and authenticity to grow your following. Learn to manage expenses, save aggressively, and avoid lifestyle inflation to keep and grow your money. Follow a budget, invest the surplus, and always prioritize high-return opportunities. Building $1 million from scratch requires commitment, adaptability, and smart decision-making. Pick a method that aligns with your interests, stay consistent, and remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint.